In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gather email addresses in Squarespace. If you want to build your email list directly from your website, Squarespace makes it pretty simple with the newsletter block. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add that block to your page and customize the key text so it feels clear, polished, and on brand for your visitors. To get started, open the page where you want to collect email addresses, then click on Add Block. This is where you'll insert a new content element into your page layout. If you already know you want an email sign-up form, this is the fastest way to place it exactly where it makes the most sense, whether that's on a landing page, home page, or contact page. Once the block menu opens, type New into the search field. This helps narrow down the available block options so you can quickly find the one you need without scrolling through the full list. When the matching option appears, click on Newsletter. This adds a newsletter sign-up form to your page, which is the built-in Squarespace option for gathering email addresses from visitors. After the block is added, click the pencil icon to edit it. This opens the settings panel where you can customize the text that people will see before they subscribe. Taking a moment to edit these fields is important because better wording can improve clarity and help encourage more signups. First, edit the title. This is the main headline of your sign-up form, so make it direct and inviting. It should quickly tell people what they're signing up for and why it matters. Next, edit the description. This is where you can add a short supporting message to explain the value of joining your email list. Keep it concise and easy to understand so visitors immediately know what they'll receive. Then, edit the disclaimer. This section is useful for setting expectations, such as letting people know they can unsubscribe at any time or that you respect their privacy. Clear disclaimer text can help build trust and make users feel more comfortable sharing their email address. After that, edit the button text. This is the call to action people will click to submit their information. Choose wording that feels natural and action-oriented, so the next step is obvious. Once you've updated all of those fields, your newsletter block will be much more tailored to your audience and ready to start collecting email addresses through your Squarespace site. Take a final look at the form on the page to make sure everything reads smoothly and matches the style of the rest of your website.